Hello dear friends, welcome back. Today I'm making mash ki dal ke dahi bade. For that, in the description box below, I'll add the recipe for making the bada. I used 1 cup of moong ki dal, which is the yellow one, and 2 cups of mash ki dal, and I used my baking cups for the measurement. And then I soaked them overnight, or you can do it for 6 hours also, and then grinded them with very little water, cumin seeds, and a little bit of ginger garlic paste. And then I just grinded them well, blended them, and let them rest for 15-20 minutes. And then I made these badas. Over here, some of these are in the Ziplock bags, which I freeze them, and they are good for, actually they are usually good for 2 to 3 weeks, and they last for Ramzan. Over here I'm preparing the yogurt. I took 1.5 cup of yogurt, and I'm just going to beat it, mix it and beat it well. And then when I took the baras out of the Ziplock bag, I added it into warm water, and then I'm gonna squeeze the extra water while assembling, and then layer it with the yogurt. So over here I have my yogurt mixture ready. I added 1 cup of yogurt and 1 cup of water and mixed it well. You have to keep it a little runny, so when you add the baras to the mixture while assembling, it doesn't get too dried up. Or equal quantity of yogurt and water is necessary, so when even the baras they soak the water, the yogurt mixture is not too dry. Now I am assembling the dahi badas in the dish. I have soaked them in warm water and then squeezed them a little bit. So now they are going into the dish. Layer it with this yogurt. Drizzle some chutney on top of this. I will sprinkle some chaat masala on top of it. And with a separate spoon, I'll drizzle here some green chili. This is my family's favorite. Give it a try. You can make dahi badas according to your family liking. My dahi badas are also like this big ones. I'll just cover it with the rest of the yogurt. Once again, sprinkle some chaat masala. If you have not seen the video of the green chutney which I made for the Ramadan or throughout the year, I will give you the link in the description box. Please have a look at that. Add the green chutney, this chutney, which is the dates and imli chutney. Just a pinch of red chili powder. Dahi bada dish is ready to be served. Another twist to this dish is the tempering or the Baghaar. If your family likes it that way, you can definitely add it at this stage. 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil on medium heat. I'm gonna add few things in it. We will need half teaspoon of cumin seeds, which is Zeera, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, which is rye, 3 red button chilies, and few curry leaves. Over here I have 5 to 6 curry leaves. Once the oil is heated, we will add first of all the Zeera, and then all of the ingredients, and then just fry them for 30 to 40 seconds. Carefully mixed everything, and here it goes. The dahi badas. The sizzling sound of all of this and the flavor, the aroma, it just takes the dahi badas to a next level. If you want to give it a try, please do so. Enjoy this recipe with or without the Baghaar with your family. Share the recipe with your friends, and till next video, till next time, take good care. Enjoy. Bye bye.